We're at the mechanic now. So I do a little unboxing. It was $1,800. So this is a dirty cabin filter, AC filter. This is a clean one. You see the difference? One. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to Live for the Experience. And today it's Saturday. We just pulled $20,000 from the ATM to service my car, to service my vehicle. So yeah, let's go. As a woman, I'm not even leading this. I'm following Anthony because look, I don't know about servicing. I was just saying to him the other day that after a lady purchases a vehicle, we need somebody to keep some classes, like some car care classes, you know, somebody to teach you how to change oil, do this, do that, if you tire bust, like oh you feel what you call it, yeah, there's something that we use to lift up the vehicle, yeah, like I need somebody to start a class in that. That would be beautiful for the ladies, honestly, and for some of the men too, because not everybody will buy a car, know how to care the car. You know, like certain little car knowledge, like you do the driving test, boom, you pass, boom. But you need somebody to actually keep a little 10 weeks, a little 4 weeks, not even 10, 4 weeks course, probably every Saturday on car care, you know? Anyway, put on my seatbelt. So right now, I'm saying $20,000 we'll have, that's the budget. And we're gonna go get some products from the auto supply store. That's not what they call them, the auto parts store. Probably man not say store, from the auto parts place. And then go to the mechanic. Yeah, so on the list to get, we have the AC filter, the air filter, the oil filter, the oil, for look something for go under the bottom. I'm gonna check me something wouldn't break. Can't remember my name. I'm gonna put it on the screen if I remember. But yeah, those things we have to check out today. We may leave the car at the mechanic and then go, but I'll show you, I'll just show you guys the process. Right now it's a mechanic that Anthony deals with all the time, so I don't know how it goes. It's early, it's 9:17, so hopefully we get there. Well, we'll probably not get there first, because you know that people now wait for mechanic, they might wait for them. So we're gonna see how it go. So let's go. Always forget to tell y'all to subscribe. I just put it on a little thing under the screen, but subscribe y'all. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. You know, I'm here providing content, both educational and like fun stuff, because I like to go out. That's what the channel is called, live for the experience, you know. So anyway, I'm up on a little uneven road right now. Watch out right now. So later, oh yeah, hat from Carticulture. Get your hat if you're from the Caribbean. I create stuff for the Caribbean peoples, them out there. So get your hat, rep your island. First stop is gonna be Superior Parts. They specialize in Honda parts. We're on Hagley Park Road. At least it helped me.
Air filter, oil filter, and cabin filter.
Alright, so we're at the mechanic now, waiting for him to come. He's not here yet. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing. This is the air filter. So what it looks like, clean. When it's dirty, it's like very, very dusty, and you can literally lift up your bonnet and see. I'll bonnet that name, right? This is the air filter. This is what it looks like. was $1,800. This is the, what's that again?
The cabin filter.
This is the cabin filter, the AC filter. So this was the air filter.
Yeah.
Cabin filter. Why? Something I sound too alike. It almost look the same. This was $1,100. One of these, well, 4 of these around $3,000, near to $4,000. So you need 4 of these. Engine oil, this engine oil. So the oil filter. Oil filter. $1,484. So call it $1,500 for that. So these are spark plugs. These are not for my car.
So you're one of them
Like them here, 4 of them. You say 4 of them?
32.
4 of them here for $32,000. And him get them here. So around 7, 8.
Yeah.
8 of them here for $800. 4 of them I need for my car, $33,000. Spark plugs.
But you know
Here.
them bad, so.
Yeah, but the mechanic is gonna check them. So what them oil they be?
Transmission oil.
Oh, okay. What is it for? Transmission oil.
Transmission.
These aren't mine. These are for Anthony.
Yeah,
So this is a dirty cabin filter, AC filter. This is a clean one. You see the difference? One white, one black. And you need good air in your car. You don't need no dirty air.
Here more ahead of you.
Yes.
The brakes up there.
Check the brakes first.
Check the brake first.
Right, get this up and you can check the brakes first.
Check the brakes and the
Right, check the disc right there. Yeah.
quick brake, you know. And that black one, a good one. Remember last time we got it running?
Yeah.
Yeah. Long time that.
You change the cabin filter.
I'm not changing it, that's sure. Put it back in. Pot. What kind of pot? Cooking pot? How do you do that? Oh yeah, spirit.
So which one is this pad? Them something there? Oh.
I'm a full
there.
Hey y'all, my face is so oily right now because it's the end of the day. It's 5 o'clock right now. 5 o'clock. I know I didn't get the car at 5. We dropped the car off around 9:30, 10, and we got it back around 12, and then we ran some errands. So Anthony's car is there now, so I had to leave him. But yeah, so the mechanic charged like $5,000 for the servicing, AC filter, air filter. He changed the engine oil, the oil filter, those 4 things. He also checked on my brake pads for me because since I got the car I haven't changed them, but he said that they were genuine, so I didn't have to change them
turn left onto
just
Duaban
yet.
Avenue.
And then my spark plugs, It's been like a year and a half now since I've been driving, so I'm glad I don't have to change those as yet either, because I said that those were also genuine parts, so I could continue using them for a little while, because the price for the spark plugs for this 2015 Honda Fit was is $33,000 right now as of, what day is today? Yeah, today's date. So I was like, please, but no one buy them the $33,000. Oh my god.
Turn left onto Robin Avenue.
Remember, our budget for today is $20,000, right? $5,000 for the mechanic, and the things that I bought to put in the car, they were like $10,000 in total. So we did good. So it's like around $16,000 thereabout. So I have $4,000 left. But yeah, he did some other checks for me on the car, so I'm super happy about that. It feels good. My brakes feel different, my gas feels different. I don't know what they did, you know. But yeah, servicing over. So right now I feel like I know more about taking care of the vehicle more than I did. I'm more confident with going out and purchasing this stuff because now I have it on video. Yes. I know you have it on video too. I don't know what type of car you have, but for my Honda Fit 2015 Honda Fit, that's those are the items that I purchased. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the video out here. So thank you for watching. I'm a pimple. Oh god, it's so distracting. Thank you for watching. Thank you for living for the experience with me today, the little servicing experience. I'll see y'all in the next vlog.